the snake bite is one of the neglected tropical disease. According to WHO, there is between 81,000 to 100,000 people die each year due to a snake bites, and in India, the count is 50,000 per year. These are the registered cases, and the unregistered cases will be much more. So, welcome to my channel, and today we are talking about the snake bites. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. So the study of snakes is called as ophiology, and the study of snake venom is called as ophiotoxemia. So we have divided in the families. Like the first of all is Elapidae. Elapidae, they have king cobra, common cobra, and crate. They are neurotoxic. Like they will cause ptosis, they will cause descending paralysis, and they will cause respiratory failure, which is the most common cause of death. In the king cobra, they have no hood and they have no spectacle mark. In the common cobra, they have hood and a spectacle mark, and the crate are jet black color. Second family is Viperidae, which we have Russell and saw-scaled vipers, which are hemotoxic and they will cause spontaneous bleeding, disseminated intravascular coagulation, and renal failure, the most common cause of death in this. The Russell vipers are three-row marking, and the saw-scaled vipers are saw-scaled scales. Then we have the third family in which we have the Hydrophidae. Hydrophidae are the sea snakes. They are myotoxic and they will cause muscle necrosis. And the local symptom of a snake bite can be pain, can be swelling, can be bleeding, and can be necrosis. So the first stage is right, in which the R stand for reassurance, I stand for immobilization, and GHT stand for get to the hospital and tell the doctor about the symptoms. The specific management is observation. In case of ophitoxemia, we can get 10 vials of anti-snake venom without a test dose, and in specific for the cobra bite, we can give neostigmine and atropine to reverse the toxicity.